If you're seeing the Epic Games account already linked error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to check your linked accounts, disconnect the one causing the issue, and then try linking it again the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're on the site, sign into the account that you want to use. After you're logged in, head over to Account Settings. This is where Epic keeps the important account information, including anything connected to your profile. Now look for the Linked Account section. This area shows you all the services and platforms currently connected to your Epic Games account. You may see connections like Facebook, PlayStation, Xbox, Google, or other services. Take a moment to carefully review the list and find the account that's triggering the error. If you spot the account that's already linked somewhere else, click Disconnect if that option is available. In many cases, this is the step that clears the problem. Just remember that some linked accounts may have restrictions or require extra confirmation before they can be removed. Follow any prompts Epic shows you on the screen. After disconnecting the account, wait a few minutes before trying again. This is important because the change may not update instantly. Giving it a short wait helps the system refresh and recognize that the account is no longer tied to the old connection. Once you've waited, go back and try linking the account again. If everything worked properly, the error should be gone and the connection should go through normally. If you still see the message, double check that you're signing into the correct Epic Games account and that the linked service was fully disconnected before retrying. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're not accidentally using the wrong login for the platform you're trying to connect. For example, if you're linking a console account or a Google account, confirm that you're using the exact same one that you intended. A lot of these errors happen because the account is already attached to another Epic profile, or because the wrong account was selected during sign-in. If the link still doesn't work after disconnecting and waiting, you may need to review your account connections again or check for any other active sessions that could be causing the conflict. But in most cases, simply going into account settings, opening linked accounts, disconnecting the old account, waiting a few minutes, and trying again will solve the issue. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Epic Games account already linked error. If this video saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.